A feast of flavors. Many people love to eat at restaurants. It's fun to eat your favorite foods or try something new. Going to a restaurant is a nice change from eating at home. There are many kinds of restaurants. One is called a fast food restaurant. You wait in a line and order your food at a counter. After you pay, your food comes quickly. You can take your tray to a table and enjoy your meal. In other restaurants, you don't go to a counter. Someone takes you to a table when you arrive. A waiter brings you a menu. You choose your meal from the menu. It takes some time to cook your food. Then, the waiter brings your meal to your table. When you finish eating, the waiter brings a paper called a bill or check. This shows how much money you need to pay. You pay for your meal and can leave extra money called a tip for the waiter. This is a way to say thank you for good service. Some restaurants have a buffet. You go to a long table with many different foods. You can choose what you want to eat. You can go back to the buffet for more food if you are still hungry. Some restaurants are very fancy. They have beautiful decorations and expert chefs. Different restaurants make different kinds of food. Some make hamburgers, some make steak, and some make food from other countries, like Italy or Mexico. Eating at a restaurant is a fun and tasty adventure.